Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to participate in a Pancake Swap IFO. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is get ourselves logged into our Metamask wallet. You'll notice up here that I have my Metamask wallet set to the Binance Smart Chain rather than the Ethereum mainnet. If you're using Metamask, yours is probably going to have Ethereum mainnet. You're going to need to go over to your settings, down here to networks, and you're going to need to add a new network. And you can name it whatever you want. I've named mine Binance Smart Chain and put in the Binance Smart Chain settings. If you've never done this before, I've got a great video that shows you how to do that. Get yourself set up with Metamask, get yourself connected to the Binance Smart Chain. All right. And then, of course, you'll need to have that wallet funded with a little BNB. Now, if you've just set up this wallet and you want to fund the wallet with BNB, I've got a great video on Pancake Swap that shows you how to fund your wallet. All you really need is some BNB. So you can purchase BNB on Binance. If you're in the US, you can purchase BNB on Binance US. You will need to convert it to the Binance Smart Chain. You can't just put regular BNB in that wallet. All right, I thought I would show you how to contribute a little BNB to the wallet in case you've never done that before. If you have access to regular Binance, then that's the easiest way to do this. So I'll show you real quick how you would do it in Binance. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, now I'm in the US. I can't use Binance anymore. I can't trade on Binance, but I do still have a little bit of BNB in my account. So I am able to withdraw BNB. So if you're in another country, like over in Europe or Asia, and you have full access to Binance, you'll want to just buy some BNB. You can fund your account with cash, or your local currency, or you can trade it for Bitcoin. There's a lot of trading pairs for BNB. You just want to get your hands on a little BNB. I've got a little bit here so I can demo how this is going to work. So first of all, you'll get the address of your Metamask wallet, which I have over here in this other browser. Right, and it's set to the Binance Smart Chain. All right, you want to make sure that you've got this properly configured for the Binance Smart Chain. I'm just going to click here to copy my wallet address into my clipboard. All right, we'll go back over here to Binance. We'll do a withdrawal of BNB. Now notice there they give us the choice, right? We're going to use the Binance Smart Chain protocol, right? We don't want to withdraw regular BNB because we're withdrawing to a Binance Smart Chain wallet. And so I'll paste in the address of my Binance Smart Chain wallet, my MetaMask wallet. I'll go ahead and do max, whatever amount works for you, however much you want to put in your Binance Smart Chain wallet. I'll hit submit. I'm going to go through their security. All right, and then you can go to view withdrawal history and notice that your withdrawal is processing. You can see that my withdrawal has completed. All right, you can see that the amount went up there. So I'm good, right? So that from regular Binance was a piece of cake. Now, if you're in the US, you'll want to purchase your BNB on the Binance US website. But the transition to Binance Smart Chain BNB is a little trickier. We'll just get ourselves logged into our Binance US account. All right, you can see my Binance US account has a BNB balance as well. You can fund your Binance US account from your bank account or your debit card or a wire transfer and use cash to buy your BNB, or you can trade for other cryptocurrencies, right? There's several trading pairs for BNB in Binance US. Now, the only thing we have to be aware of is that when we do a withdrawal of BNB, we do not get that Binance Smart Chain option in Binance US. So we're going to have to convert it ourselves. And the way that we're going to do that is with the Binance Chain wallet. All right, the Binance Chain wallet is an extension that you can add to Chrome that will give you a Binance Chain wallet. All right, I'll go ahead and get myself logged in. There we go, got the wallet. Now the nice thing about this wallet is we can switch between Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain. And it's also pretty smart. If you're in the Binance Chain wallet and you try to send to a Binance Smart Chain wallet, it will do the conversion for you. So let me explain how that works. First of all, I'm in the Binance Chain network. This is regular BNB. We're going to need to be in this mode to deposit our BNB from Binance US. All right. So I'll just go to the BNB. I'm going to do receive. I'll copy that address into my clipboard, and I'll go back over to Binance US. I'll paste in that address, and then I'll make my withdrawal. I'm going to do max, but you could do 1 or 2 or however many you're planning on withdrawing. All right, I'll hit submit here, and I need my Google Authenticator code for Binance US. All right, and they're going to send me an email, slightly different than the way that regular Binance does this. All right, we'll get to that email code. We'll hit confirm withdrawal, and then we've got pretty much the same thing as regular Binance. We can go over to withdraw and crypto, and we'll see that that's processing out, and that's fine. Now let's get that Binance coin that we withdrew from Binance US for those of you in the US. So I'm going to click to get that address in my clipboard. I'm going to go over here to my Binance Chain wallet. Right, and you can see there that the amount of Binance Chain went up. It was withdrawn successfully from Binance US into this wallet. So I'll go over here to BNB. I'm going to do a send, and I'll paste in the address of my Binance Smart Chain wallet. Now notice here that it recognizes the address is not a regular BNB address, and so it's going to do a cross-chain transfer. Right? You don't need a memo. We'll do that 0.3, right? Just to keep things consistent. I'll hit send here. Notice here it tells me it's going to go from the Binance Chain network over to the Binance Smart Chain network. It's going to go directly into my Binance Smart Chain Metamask wallet. That's the address, right? We'll hit send here, and successful. All right, you can see the balance goes down over here. We go back over to our Metamask wallet, and then you can see the amount goes up there by 0.3. So I showed you 2 ways to get BNB tokens into this Smart Chain wallet. Pretty straightforward on regular Binance. You just simply withdraw to the BSC protocol when you do your withdrawal. With Binance US, you're going to need that Binance Chain wallet to do that conversion for you. Right? It's not bad. All right, so here I am logged into the Pancake website, and I'll go over here to the IFO tab. All right, as you can see, this is about to start in about 12 minutes. So we've got ourselves logged in to MetaMask. We've got our MetaMask wallet connected to the Pancake Swap website. You'll notice here that wallet is showing up over here, and when I go over to the exchange, you can see that the MetaMask wallet matches. Right? So if you have multiple copies of or multiple accounts within MetaMask, you'll just want to make sure that you're connected to the proper one for the wallet that you want to use. All right, you can click that up here and switch over to the right wallet if you want to do that here. But I'm already connected. All right, so it's getting close to the time. We just want to determine how much money we want to put into this. They've got some instructions down here. We're going to need to buy CAKE-BNB Liquidity Pool tokens to participate in this. So we'll need to buy half Cake and half BNB. So for example, if we want to put in $1,000, we'll buy $500 worth of Cake and $500 worth of BNB. So let's figure out how much 500 Cake is worth. Now, there's a couple ways you can do that. You can go over to CoinGecko, and just look up the price of cake. You can switch this here and say, okay, I want 500 cake. How much is that? That's 36 cake. That's one way to do it. You can also go over to the trading interface, and you could do Binance US dollar and cake. Let's see if that works. 500. Yeah. If you go to Binance US dollar and put in 500, it'll tell you how much cake that's worth, right? If you want to do it that way. Now that I've got this, I can switch over to BNB because I'm going to fund this with BNB. So we know we want 36, right? So let's put this one to 0. Let's put 36 down here. And the corresponding BNB amount is going to, well, it's going to cost me 1.7 BNB to buy that 36 cake. Well, that's fine. All right, we'll hit swap. And then we'll hit confirm swap. All right, there's the swap. Let's hit confirm. And there we go. We've confirmed that transaction. We'll hit close here. Now we have 36 cake. All right, so now we'll just go over to the liquidity section here, and we're going to add liquidity. We'll hit add liquidity. We'll choose cake. Right now we have 36 cake, and we need to contribute a corresponding amount of BNB. So that's pretty easy. I'll just max out the cake here at 36, and it'll calculate exactly how much BNB I need to deposit an equal amount into the liquidity pool. All right. Now you might see approve down here if you've never done this before, and you'll do that by clicking approve, and then you'll sign it over here in Metamask. Might be $1 or so. It's not very expensive on the Binance Smart Chain, but I've already approved this. So I'm just going to use the supply command here. We'll hit supply and then confirm supply. That's going to give us 7 BNB-CAKE liquidity pool tokens. We'll hit confirm here. We'll sign this over in our Metamask wallet. We'll hit confirm. And that goes confirmed there. And now we can look down here and see that we've got 7 CAKE-BNB LP tokens, right? Now we can go back over to the IFO. So now that we've bought our cake and our BNB tokens, and then created our LP tokens in the liquidity pool, we added cake and BNB in liquidity, we're ready to go, right? We're waiting for the sale. When the sale becomes live, we'll be able to commit our liquidity pool tokens to the sale, and then we'll wait and see how many we get. We might not get our full amount, but whatever we don't get, they'll give us our change back in our liquidity pool tokens. All right. Okay, so you'll get the contribute button when this thing goes live. We'll hit contribute here, and there's my balance of liquidity pool tokens. I'll hit max here. First, I'll approve this. We'll sign this over in our Metamask wallet. Once that gets approved, we can hit confirm here to confirm our contribution. We'll hit that. We'll sign that with our Metamask wallet. Oh, damn it. Sometimes you have to try this a couple of times. I'm going to hit reject here. Actually, I'm going to just try an even amount and see if that does the trick instead of the odd amounts, right? We'll try 7.0. Let's hit confirm on that. See if that helps. Ah, it likes that. Okay. So I chose an even amount. Let's hit confirm here. There we go. So we did 7. So you'll notice there when I went to confirm the contribution in my Metamask wallet that I encountered that error message. I wasn't quite sure. I did a couple of refreshes, and then in desperation, I decided to just try and even them out, and that showed me the confirmation screen without an error message. So you don't want to click confirm when you got an error message in MetaMask. Something could go crazy. You probably wouldn't lose your tokens, but it most likely would just the contribution transaction would fail, right? All right, so now that we've got the liquidity pool tokens contributed, all we need to do now is just wait and see what happens at the end of the hour. At the end of the hour, we'll be awarded our liquidity pool tokens. All right, so it's down to 5 minutes, just a few more minutes, and the contribution period will be over. And then they'll determine the ratios as to who gets how many tokens based on their contributions and that whatever percentage that comes to. So we'll see what happens here. All right, so as you can see, I only got like 0.15 belt. And they're going to give me back a lot of what I put in. So I'll go ahead and hit claim. Okay, that looks good. We'll hit confirm here. Okay, so that was successful. I claimed my rewards. Let's go back over here to the exchange, and we should see belt. There we go. Now we've got 0.15 belt. And then I want to make sure that it's in my MetaMask, so we can go over here and check. So it's not in there, so I'm going to add it. So I'll go over here and look for the contract address. Okay, there it is. All right, so now I can get the contract address and just go ahead and add it to my MetaMask. Go down here to add token. I'll go to custom token. I'll paste in that contract address, and then these two autofill. We'll hit next. So you can see there that it recognizes that I already have them. We'll hit add tokens. So now I'll be able to see them in my MetaMask wallet. All right. Now that it's over, I can kind of unwind those LP tokens if I want to. So if I go over here to liquidity, all right, you can see I've got that CAKE-BNB. That's my leftover liquidity, and I got most of it back, actually. I'm going to go ahead and remove those. All right, I can just max that out. All right, I'll approve this. We'll go sign that, and then just remove that liquidity. We'll hit confirm here. We'll sign that with our MetaMask. Okay, got that confirmed. We'll hit close here. And now the liquidity has been removed. Seriously? Yeah, and I got my BNB back. I also still have that cake that I bought. Or did I? Okay, yeah. I've got that cake that I bought. I actually ended up with more cake because it was in a liquidity pool. All right. But got most of my BNB back. I think I came out ahead on that one. I don't know. Now, interestingly, now that that's over, I can actually buy some of the belt if I want to. Now it's tradable. So if I want to like pick up a little more belt, that's fine. Let's do 2. All right, we'll hit swap here. Hit confirm. And then confirm again. All right. Now you have to be really careful with these. Participating in the IFO is not that risky, right? The only risk might be a little bit of liquidity pool fluctuation there, maybe some impermanent loss while you're committed to the liquidity pool. But as far as those tokens that you're being awarded, those are fresh tokens, right? But right after the IFO is over, you have to be careful. The value of the asset is going to fluctuate pretty wildly, right? So if you want to grab some, that's great, but you might be grabbing them at an inflated price because they just became available on the platform. And so you might buy some at a high price and then have them fluctuate downward afterward. So you might want to just keep that in mind. I just wanted to give you the mechanics, and if you decide you want to buy some of these, that's the way it goes, right? I'm not giving you any financial advice. And then if you want to see the current price, Binance US dollar, I feel is the easiest way to do that, right? You just put in your max and see how much those are worth, right? You can check the current price. Now, notice I didn't really get that many belt by participating in the IFO. Maybe I got crowded out of the field, right? You can see I put in 7 and got back 0.15 and got back like the lion's share of what I had contributed. But you can go ahead and buy a little if you want now, if you want. And don't fret if you don't get a whole bunch out of the IFO. You will get, it's an achievement in Pancake Swap. So you might get yourself a little achievement. Let's go to my profile. Okay, I'll probably get an achievement for participating in that, which will be cool, right? Ah, well, there we go. There it is. I got the achievement for participating in the Belt IFO. I'll go ahead and collect that. Yeah, we'll hit confirm. There we go. Now I've got that in my profile. That's pretty cool. There you go. Got that belt shopper. It's just bragging rights, really. I don't know that it contributes to anything except bragging rights, but it's kind of fun, right? Well, there you go. So I showed you how to participate in an IFO, how to grab some BNB, how to purchase some CAKE so that you can contribute to the CAKE-BNB liquidity pool token. Once you have those liquidity pool tokens purchased and ready to go, you can participate in the IFO, contribute to the IFO, and you'll hopefully you'll get more tokens than I did, right? And then after you're done, I showed you how to claim your tokens and get back your leftover liquidity pool tokens, unwind them if you want, and then I showed you how to go over and purchase the new token now that it's tradable, and how to add it to your Metamask wallet. So if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.